Okay, so for this problem, this is an altitude. Altitude, it goes from A to P. A to P, P has to be perpendicular, so this time we can't use the midpoint on here. There's no midpoint like the first step. And why is that? Because this is just an altitude. The only thing we know is that it's 90 degrees to that other side, and that's it, but we do know it goes from A to P. So we can cross off that step. So number 2 is to find the slope. We're going to find the slope this time of AP. So when we do that, the slope, from BC. So the slope of BC we find because the altitude is 90 degrees to that. So if I know the slope of this, slopes of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals of each other. So I'll find the slope of BC. Once I have that, then I have the slope of AP because it's perpendicular. So the slope of BC equals 8 minus negative 1 over negative 6 minus 12, which is 9 over negative 18, which is negative 1/2. Now that I know the slope of BC, that means the slope of AP is going to be the negative reciprocal, 2 over 1, and you change the sign, so it's just 2. So I know the slope of this, and I know a point from that. So knowing the point is 2, 5, I can use point slope formula. And get y minus 5 equals 2 times x minus 2. And if I put it in point slope form, this will be y minus 5 equals 2x minus 4. Add 5 to both sides. And you get y equals 2x plus 1. So that's the slope of the perpendicular of the altitude of triangle ABC.